In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up a new ticket form on Zendesk, your go-to platform for streamlining support requests. To start, we're going to first navigate to our Zendesk homepage. This is your main dashboard and the starting point for most actions you'll take on the platform. Once you're comfortably situated on the homepage, take a look to the left-hand side and focus your attention on the settings icon. It might sometimes look like a tiny cog or gear. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is essentially your control center for customizing the settings within your Zendesk environment. After accessing the settings, keep an eye out for a small X or close icon that appears sometimes next to pop-up windows or notifications. Clicking this will clear your screen from any distractions, allowing you to focus solely on the tasks at hand without any hindrances. With a clean slate in front of you, let's now direct our attention to objects and rules. Again, this can usually be found within the settings menu. Clicking on this will open up options that are pivotal in managing how information is organized and automated in your Zendesk. Following this, you'll notice an option labeled Forms. By selecting this, you're essentially heading into the realm of managing existing forms or creating new ones to suit your customer support needs. Now, to construct a new form, look for a button or link that says Add Ticket Form. Giving that a click will open up an interface where you'll have the freedom to start piecing together your form. This is the workspace where you'll arrange the order and type of fields your form will have, tailoring it to collect the specific information you find most crucial. In this new form builder, you'll see a set of ticket fields on the right. You simply need to click and drag these fields over to the left side where your form is. Drop them in the order you envision will work best. This step is quite interactive and it allows you to visually structure how your customers will interact with the form. If you make a mistake or want to rearrange things, don't worry. These fields can be moved around as needed. To further refine your form, continue adding other ticket fields by selecting them one by one and again, dragging them to your form structure on the left. This ensures that all necessary information can be captured accurately and efficiently. Once you're satisfied with the configuration of your new ticket form, there's one last important step. Click on the Save button. This finalizes the setup and ensures that all your hard work is stored and ready for use. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully established a new ticket form within Zendesk, equipped and ready to capture your customers' needs with precision and ease. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Zendesk, and happy form building.